Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and signing and so changes save to your account. Once done, connect and confirm your mouse and drivers are working. A hardware glitch ruins testing. Make sure developer mode is enabled in Studio settings if you plan to edit scripts or input objects. Next, open the specific place or game file you'll modify. You need the Explorer and Properties panels visible. Toggle them now so you can access mouse, context action service, and local script objects immediately. You will now implement the core logic inside a local script under Starter Player Scripts so it runs per player. First, get the mouse via player get mouse, or use user input service for broader device support. Use context action service if you want remappable binds. Then, attach handlers for button 1 down, button 2 down, and mouse wheel forward/backward or input began/input changed. While coding, add sensitivity multipliers and clamp values so camera movement stays stable. Test frequently in Play Solo to iterate quickly, and you finish by adding a simple UI allowing players to adjust sensitivity and remap mouse buttons. Bind those settings to your input handlers so changes apply instantly. Then run comprehensive tests in Play and Start server modes, and verify behavior on laptop touchpads and external mice to ensure consistency. Once satisfied, save and publish the place. If something breaks, check the output for errors, confirm input priorities and context action service bindings, and make sure no other.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.